Ever wondered why Timebucks needs regular maintenance? Well, today we're going to delve into that mystery and unpack the reasons behind it. So what exactly is maintenance, and why is it so crucial for Timebucks? In a nutshell, maintenance refers to the regular checking, updating, and optimizing of Timebucks to ensure it operates at peak performance, remains secure, and provides a seamless user experience. It's an essential process that prevents potential downtimes, shields the platform from vulnerabilities, and guarantees all features function as they should. Now you may be asking, why does Timebucks need maintenance? Well, Timebucks, like any dynamic website, is subject to the ever-changing world of technology and user expectations. Regular maintenance is necessary to stay updated with the latest software developments and technologies, to enhance the security of user data, to improve performance by optimizing loading times and responsiveness, to fix bugs, and to comply with the latest SEO guidelines, ensuring that Timebucks ranks well in search engine results. Without ongoing maintenance, Timebucks could face a multitude of problems. These could include reduced user engagement, lower search engine rankings, increased vulnerability to cyber attacks, and even potential legal issues concerning data breaches. Regular maintenance acts as a safeguard, ensuring that Timebucks remains a reliable and authoritative source that users and stakeholders can trust. So, how can Timebucks maintenance be made more effective? Here are some pro tips. Keep it updated. Regularly schedule and perform updates of all software components, including the CMS, plugins, and themes. Back it up. Implement a robust backup strategy to ensure critical data is never lost in case of an unexpected issue. Monitor its performance. Use tools to keep an eagle eye on the performance of Timebucks, specifically loading times and responsiveness. Check for security issues. Regularly scan Timebucks for vulnerabilities and use top-tier security tools to protect against potential threats. Listen to users. Pay attention to user feedback for issues that might slip through the cracks during routine checks. Users often spot things that automated systems might miss. Review SEO practices. Regularly review and update SEO strategies to keep up with the latest algorithm changes and maintain high visibility in search results. So, there you have it. Timebucks maintenance is a crucial process that keeps the platform running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. By staying updated, backing up data, monitoring performance, checking security, listening to users, and reviewing SEO practices, Timebucks can continue to be a trusted and reliable platform for all its users.